Hello. Today on Thomas Trains Collector, I've got the new Trackmaster Paxton that just came out. And I don't actually have Paxton yet, so I thought I might get this new one. We have had Paxton before, but I never got the old one. And I got this new one. And I actually have the second one that I'm going to customize. So I'm going to unbox both of them, and then I'm just going to look at this Paxton and the car he comes with. Real quick, the instructions are actually down here. It says instructions inside, and apparently they're in here, so I think I'm supposed to access this on the side here, and that's apparently how you get the instructions. That is fascinating. That's brand new. Usually the instructions have just been right here. And the last couple engines have been boxed, but actually down here, so they should still be pretty similar. They just put them inside this lower part now, and they just explain how to put the battery in. But I think this is the first example of an engine where they're in that new place. So Paxton is really nice, very similar to the old one. Very similar to the old one. Painted buffers. One thing with these new Trackmaster engines, they tend not to paint the buffers. The back ones are just one big green thing, but on the front, they are painted. And that's something we started to see. Duchess has painted buffers, and this makes it very similar to the old one. Now they're pretty similar. So if you don't have the old one, you can definitely get this new one. And then this car is pretty cool. It's like a quarry car. The things on the side. I don't really have a car that looks quite like this in my collection yet. And then this is just like a rock that you can store inside. But you can also put other things in here. And it's just a nice little thing. So you get Paxton and you get that car. But I also have a second one, and I'm going to customize it into a Sidney Trackmaster. It's going to be a custom engine, and should be a pretty simple custom. All I need to do is repaint this. And then actually we'll have two of this exact car. So that's why I bought a second Paxton, to customize into a Sidney. And I'm also going to unbox this one real quick. Wow. The stone came out and actually managed to preserve this packaging. Actually managed to preserve both the packagings pretty well. And like before, it seems as though they've moved to instructions down in here, whereas they've kind of been just on the track, just right here under the engine. So yeah, it's the exact same Paxton we just got. Yeah, it's the exact same. Yeah, the exact same, and then the car is the exact same. We get a couple up. And I have two of this exact same quarry car. And I have two identical Paxtons, one of which I'm going to customize into a Sidney, and one of which I'm going to start using in competitions.